Hi guys, so this is guide lang na siya sa L10 Associate Certification Assessment. So, 30 minutes ang time limit ani, then you must answer 12 or more of the 15 questions correctly. So, ang first step ani is according to the Zero Associate workbook. Navigate here. Then, first step, isa na to start. Dali sa tong company, may zero. Then, reset, change country na lang, automatic siya mag-reset. Global, we need to use the global version. Then, after ma-reset, ma-transfer ta here sa demo company, global. So, ano siya. Then, dara na nato pwede, no. Is na mag-start, kay 50 minutes lang atong limit. Ang first atong button is ato ta sa organization details under accounting settings. Then, sa taas, organization details. Then, on na to ni. Upload na to tong logo nga naa sa workbook, which is kani. Then, skip ta baba. Then, include on all invoices. Kani. Include na to ning mailing address. And then, same as mailing address. So, that's the first step. Then, save na to. Then, let's go back to accounting settings. Then, financial settings. After ana, ato ta diri sa financial year end. Supposedly, atong year end is March 31. Okay, so ang ato ang tax defaults for sales and purchases is tax exclusive. So, navigate here, then save na to. Scroll down. Next step is go to accounting, then chart of accounts. So, nato na start. Hindi pa man nato na magamit. Go to the chart of accounts, then add a new bank account. Add without bank feed. So, the bank name is Petty Cash. Petty Cash na po. Account type is other. Account number is 123456789. Then our account code is 92. Save na to. Then dili na ta mag-start. Start na to. What is the total value of total debits on the conversion balances screen? So what we're going to do is go to accounting settings, conversion balances, then make sure na nga to ang conversion date is April of the prior year. So if 2026 karon, dapat 2025 ang yang year. Then tama naman siya daan, so then nato need to change. So show all accounts. Dito kay business savings account, 20,000 na debit. Then naputay debit kay petty cash na 200. So scroll down nato, then as you can see lang, total balance nato is 24,330.98. Kani mo ni siya nga tong answer for number 1. Okay, so next, set up invoice template. So let's go back here. Let's go to sales, invoices. Okay, so mag-new invoice ta. Then after mo mag-new invoice, magawas mo ng set up template, invoice template. So ito na siyang i-edit to 23 Main Street, Marineville, 12345. Siya to siya. Then here, sa account number, change ko na to siya. According sa workbook. Okay. So save. After supposedly we need to make a sales invoice for a contact na Foxglove ang pangalan. Problem is wala na siya sa tuang contact, so himo na to siya bag-o. Then the due date is plus 30. Wa man giingon kung kano sa siya kuan. So plus 30 ta dire. Shortcut na siya pag after mo na mo plus 30 na siya. Automatic. Hourly IT, try na to ibutang. Then 5. Quantity is 5. Price is 75. Account is sales. Tax on consulting 8.25. So ang total is 405.94. So ano siya ang answer na to for number 2. Okay, next. Proof man na. Proof. Okay, so next, maghimo tag bill. So purchases, then bill. Then this is from Hornblower Enterprises. Actually, wala po niya siya sa to ang contact. So, maghimo ta og bag-ong contact. This is a new contact. Ang command here is last. W means last week. Due date is plus 30. Reference, wala. Then the description for line number 1 is monthly advertising fees. Quantity is 1. Unit price is 1,000. Line account is 400. Advertising tax rate should be tax on purchases 8.25. So the total is 1,082.50. So ang answer there is 1,082.50. Okay. Number 4 na ta. Next. Prove na to na eh. Then let's move on to the next one. Reconcile the 3 green highlighted match transactions in the business bank account. So ito sa accounting, then bank accounts. Then go here, reconcile. You should look for the 3 na naka-green, which is 1, 2, 3. Tatlo. So, ito siyang i-reconcile. 1, 2, and 3. So, ano siya ang answer for number 4 and 5. What is the balance in 0 after reconciling the 3 green highlighted match statement lines? Balance in 0 is 7,948.04. Okay. Then, how many spent money transaction has 0 pre-filled for Ridgeway Bank that can be reconciled? So, let's check here how many spent money transaction for Ridgeway Bank. So, much better if we search na lang na to si Ridgeway Bank. Hold on. Ridgeway. Let's spend money. So, the answer is dalawa. 1, 2. So, the answer here is 2. Okay. Next. Reconcile the Ridgeway Bank transactions. So, what is the balance 0 after? So, balik ta kay Ridgeway. Ito ako ito itanggal. Tapos, ato siyang i-reconcile. Reconcile by pressing OK. Okay. Okay. So, the total balance is, ilan na? Balance is 7,918.04. Ano siya ang answer? And for number 7, reconcile the first Cooper Street Bakery bank statement line with the following details. So, pangitaon na to si First Cooper Street Bakery, which is kani. Pero para ma-sure is Cooper. Mani siya ang first one. So, ang buhaton na to dire is who? Cooper Street Bakery. Hindi ko ganahan ba yung wala ang mga contact. What for 20, which is entertainment, then pastries for client meeting. And reconcile. The question is, what is the balance in 0 after reconciling the first Cooper Street Bakery statement line? So the answer should be 7,902.29. Okay, next, what is the balance of 0 after reconciling the remaining. So let's go back here. Then reconcile the remaining per strict bakery statement line with the pre-populated details, unless specified. Okay. So 7,890.39. Let's check here. Tama. True or false? You can change the tax rate on spend or receive money transaction from the bank reconciliation screen. Let's check. Tax. Pero sure ko ang answer niya yes. It's true. Actually, it's true. Anyways, skip na lang tayo na be. The next one is how many statement lines are there left to reconcile in the business bank account? So, as you can see, it's 20. So, 20 ang answer ano eh. Okay, so ang last step daw is makita daw nato sa zero homepage. So, let's go to the homepage. Then, all of the answers should be here. First question, which chart of accounts codes are displayed on the accounts watch list? Okay, if you scroll down here, ano na sales, advertising, entertainment, and inventory. So, advertising, entertainment, inventory, og sales. Mao na siya. Okay, it lang. So next, what is the value of draft invoices on the invoices owed to you? Sabo kayong iro bay. Invoices owed to you. Okay. Done. Value of the draft. Anara. Money siya ang draft sa invoices owed to you. So ang answer ni is 1-1. Then for the next one, what is the value of overdue invoices on the invoices owed to you? Money siya ang overdue guys, 758.83. So money siya ang answer. Next one is what is the value of awaiting payment bills on the bills you need to pay widget? Bills you need to pay 9,469.26. Then the last one is what is the value of overdue bills on the bills you need to pay? Bills you need to pay 4,754.49. This one. Okay, so mo to siya ang guide sa L1 certification. Humana na check na to kung tama ba tong answer. Wait lang. Sa workbook. Ayun, palagi kaya sa live. Okay. On sa live. Submit na to. Okay. So assessment passed. 100%. Total points 15. Close na to. Then naanay certificate si Lebron James. So mo to siya ang guide para sa certification. Need mo mag-set up ng demo company. Okay na. Gusto na. Thank you.